Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me today I have Ravi Jadhav. So join me as I welcome him on Zoom. Lovely to have you, sir. और आपका काम तो काफ़ी यानी सराहा गया है. लेटेस्ट वॉज मैं अटल हूँ. उसके बारे में आप कहिए कैसे था आपका यानी पूरा सफ़र, बिकॉज वो फिल्म भी काफ़ी अलग थी.
Last year was very interesting year for me. Last year I did Tali with Susmita and at my Atalu with Pankaj ji. I think it was great experience working with two great actors and great scripts, and it was really very proud moment for me to work on these two particular projects. But last year I not work on any single Marathi projects. So I came here today for this film fair to cheer my friends basically, and I know who will going to win. They're going to give me party, so definitely going to get party tonight. There are lots of friends I've already nominated.
But I have to also ask you this, Ravi sir, कि सुष्मिता का एक अलग लुक था, एक अंदाज था ताली में, और वो पूरा फेशियल चेंजेस आए थे, एंड टू फिट इनटू दैट कैरेक्टर. आपने वो कैसे किया?
एक्चुअली सबसे जो बड़ा डिसीजन था वो ये था कि हम कोई प्रोस्थेटिक यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. ये सबसे बड़ा डिसीजन था, बिकॉज जब हम प्रोस्थेटिक यूज़ नहीं करते तो उस आर्टिस्ट को निभाना पड़ता है अपने फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से क्या कहना है. तो आई थिंक सुस्मिता सिंस शी इज़ अमेजिंग एक्टर एंड अमेजिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने ये पूरा किरदार निभाया, जिस सच्चाई से निभाया. हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि हमने जो भी किया था, जो वो ताली हो या मैं अटल हूँ, हमने बहुत सच्चाई से काम किया था, हम बहुत डेडिकेटेडली काम किया था. तो वो डेडिकेशन, वो रिसर्च, उनका वो स्टडी कैरेक्टर का, आई थिंक वो सब उनके उस एक्सप्रेशन में दिखता है, जहाँ हमें लगता है कि यस एक रियल ट्रांसजेंडर है. हम भूल जाते हैं कि शी वॉज मिस यूनिवर्स ऑफ इंडिया.
और साथ में ये भी पूछना था कि अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के रोल में पंकज त्रिपाठी को लाना और उस कैरेक्टर में करना, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज हमने उनको देखा है कैसे, और अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. वो आपने कैसे किया? वो किरदार इट सेल्फ इज़ लाइक इवन नाउ वी स्पीक अबाउट हिम इन अ वेरी हाई जेस्चर.
आई थिंक अटल जी मिट्टी से जुड़े हुए थे, और पंकज जी भी मिट्टी से जुड़े हुए हैं. अटल जी बहुत शांत स्वभाव के थे, पंकज जी बहुत शांत स्वभाव के हैं. अटल जी का अपने भाषा पे बहुत प्रभुत्व था, पंकज जी का अपने भाषा पे बहुत प्रभुत्व है. अटल जी जब पीएम भी हुए तभी भी वो ज़मीन पे थे. अटल जी अभी पंकज जी बहुत बड़े स्टार है, लेकिन अभी भी वो ज़मीन पे है. कल ही उनका मैसेज आया था, अभी वो गाँव में गए हैं. तो आई थिंक वो सिमिलरिटीज़ दोनों में बहुत थी. तो उनकी वो सादगी, उनकी वो ईमानदारी से काम करना, और उनका अपने गांव से जुड़ा रहना, यही आई थिंक मेरे लिए काफ़ी था उनको अटल जी के रोल के लिए ये करना चुनना.
एंड लास्टली अभी कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स पे आप काम कर रहे हो?
Oh my God. There are 3-4 projects and I'm right now working on. मैंने ये साल सोचा था कि मैं समर में शूट नहीं करूँगा, कि लास्ट 2 साल मैं समर में शूट कर रहा हूँ. अटल तो मैंने कंप्लीट ये फिल्म पूरी समर में शूट की थी, अप्रैल में, जून में. तो मैंने ये साल सोचा था कि ये साल मैं समर में कुछ नहीं करूँगा. ये साल समर में खाली लिख रहा हूँ, और ये 2-3 महीने में लिखूँगा, एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट डूइंग द प्रोजेक्ट्स.
तो कुछ आप रिवील नहीं कर सकते हो कुछ भी आपके फैंस के लिए?
अभी नहीं, बट रियली देयर इज अ वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस राइट नाउ.
बट विल वी गेट टू सी बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स अगेन, और विल वी गेट टू सी मराठी एक्टर्स?
आई एम डूइंग बोथ नेक्स्ट ईयर. आई एम डूइंग 2 Hindi films and 1 Marathi film.
Thank you so much for your lovely time, sir. Thank you. Today I have the actress Hemal, who is looking gorgeous in her outfit. So join me as I welcome her on Zoom.
Hi.
I love your outfit, and it's like completely summery outfit what you're wearing today.
Thank you so much. I think it's my personality also. It's very summery. So yeah.
And is it the glow which is adding right now, because 16 nominations, for one movie?
Yeah. I'm pretty excited. My film Monad is nominated in 16 categories. So yeah, it's probably the glow. You're right.
Tell me about your film. The film has got humongous response from your fans, from the people who have seen in the fraternity. How does it feel?
It feels really great because it's one of my first films where I had like de-glammed, and I really I think focused. I explored my journey as an actor more than a heroine. So that was pretty cool. It has been a very special journey.
What has been that one learning for you from your movie?
I think no dream is too small. That is because it was a very small film and made in tight budgets, made in really difficult conditions. But today we have 16 nominations at Filmfare, so that speaks volumes, right? So yeah.
And also, as we talk about your work, and we have seen that you have also worked in Telugu cinema and also Marathi. And one thing which is very common is they are very particular about time.
Yes.
Do you see that in any other cinema or any other cinema you would like to work with and where you would like to bring this?
I think you're so right when you say that. The Telugu industry is very particular with times, and I love that about them. They're so disciplined. They would often wrap on time. If it's a 6 a.m. shift, it will wrap at 6. And it's not just for the actors that they're privileged. No, it works the same for everyone, the technicians as well, which is what I loved. And I think we all should learn from them. The Marathi, the Hindi industry, we all should learn from them.
And apart from being in a part of Marathi and Telugu, would you prefer making a debut in Bollywood as well?
Of course, why not? Because it has a wider reach, and I would love to. An artist always wants to reach more people, so yes, why not?
And what's next you're exploring?
I have been doing quite a lot of things, but yeah, right now I think my entrepreneurial journey has just started. My acting journey has been going on, so yeah, I think I'm all about exploring new things and trying new things.
Talking about your business side, tell us more about it. You're getting us curious.
I think it initially started with my Pilates studio because I realized how Pilates changed my life and I wanted that for people. So I started that, and now I recently invested in a cocktail bar. So yeah, it's been different things.
Well, thank you so much for your lovely time and looking forward to see more of your work.
Samira.
Today I have Jayvant sir. Join me as I welcome him on Zoom. So lovely to have you on board, and we have seen the kind of movies you have made. What keeps you going, and entertaining the audience with the kind of projects you make?
Yeah, I'm now one project I'm doing very Dashmis, that is Pratipat Chandra. That is a web series, and so many people are there. Ashish Vidyarthi, Rajiv Khandelwal, Saeed Amankar, and it's a fantastic subject. So just we completed. Then again, my project is coming, that is Broken News, second part. That will also come. And fantastic. I'm doing two films, but I cannot tell the names because restriction. So fantastic. आणि मला असं वाटतं की आपण नेहमीच यात आज आत्मपाम्पलेट असेल, आज बॉपलोक असेल, ही खूप छान पिक्चर्स आहेत आणि ते सगळे नॉमिनेट आहेत, वाळवी नॉमिनेट आहेत. सो मराठी इंडस्ट्री इज डुईंग वेल. आणि मला असं वाटतं की क्षितिज पटवर्धन इज अ बिग रायटर नावडेज. ही इज अ रायटर ऑल्सो अँड इज डिरेक्टिंग. वी आर डुईंग वन प्ले दॅट नेम इज आजीबाई जोरात. आजीबाई इज निर्मिती सावंत and Pushkar Shotri, Mugdha Godbole. There's that Abhinay Berde's mummy and daddy. So fantastic. Abhinay Berde is doing first time in Natak. So I think it's a fantastic, and we are first time in drama. We are using AI system. What is AI? That is in that play. And there's a lot of things. That is Subhash Nakaje's 13 people are dancing and moving, Suhani and everybody. It's a fantastic play, and basically that play is for a. We know we went to the any restaurant, the small mobile. So we are trying to keep. How will this mad idiot box, how can we drop it? Yes, that is the play.
That's
And
quite
it's a fantastic, and the industry is good. And Filmfare Award, first Filmfare Award, I'm coming here. 17, 20 is the gap. So fantastic. The Filmfare, we are like Hindi Filmfare Award watching. And again we come for a Marathi. That's a fantastic. And another Filmfare for my small request, please drama के लिए कुछ करो. Drama awards भी चालू करो. That is my humble request to Filmfare.
So are you liking the fact that it all started from the theatre drama world to moving to TV to then cinema, and then now OTT platforms, and of course making use of AI, which is widespread right now throughout the world? Are you liking the evolving which has happened, which has taken place in Marathi cinema also, and there is no setback as such?
No, not at all. It's a good thing. But for a what purpose you are using, that is important. There should be a positive purpose. You can use the AI, no problem. But don't use for that, you know. Just somebody's get problem and all. That is the thing. But fantastic. This AI is amazing. Amazing. You know that one clip at camp, the small boy in the home, and monkey came, big monkey. He had तो मराठीत बोलला डॉगचा आवाज काढ म्हणून तर सो दॅट then that monkey is gone. See, you can use it.
But also what is happening is of late a lot of deep fake videos are circulating, and the latest victim of this was Amir Khan, you know, and he also filed a complaint. Don't you also feel that the work, work of actors especially kind of gets, into threat, it's threatening for them because of AI?
Yeah, that's why I'm saying, look, don't use for a bad purpose. Use for a better purpose. That is, AI is also good. I like much. Yeah.
Lovely chatting with you, sir, and looking forward to see more of your work, and especially the one which you have involved AI in it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.